Chapter 7, Case 3. The first report is the balance sheet standard, and that is done by going to Reports, Report Center, Company and Financial, double-click Balance Sheet Standard. I'll pull up the one I did, change the date right here, and I unselected date, time, and report basis and added my name to the extra footer line, and I clicked OK. Then I went ahead and memorized, hit replace, and then OK. And you select your name, hit OK. And that is how I did that report. The next one is a profit and loss standard. Go to Reports, Report Center, Company and Financial, double click Profit and Loss. This is what mine looked like. Change the date up here. And the next one is a statement of cash flows. Go back to the Report Center. Okay, let's see. Double click Statement of Cash Flows. Change the date. January 2014. Added my name, clicked OK. That is how this looks like. And the last one is transaction list by date. Go back to Reports, Report Center, Accountant and Taxes, and double click transaction list by date. And that is what mine looks like for January 2014. One thing I forgot to tell you was the first report for the balance sheet. It wanted us to make sure we showed the accumulated depreciation account as the last fixed asset account. And I'll show you how I did that. So it's right here. I did this by going to Chart of Accounts over here. And then I just was able, let's see, I think I was just able to drag. So I clicked on it. So if I wanted to move it, hold on, maybe I clicked there. Okay, right here is if it shows up right there, and then you see how I can move it, and then click OK. So, but you want it to be after land. Oops. And that is how you move the accumulated depreciation account.